The Shillong Press Club held an emergent meeting on the 12th of January to condole the death of senior journalist Rajoo Sharma, who had passed away at Woodland Hospital, Shillong, after a brief period of illness. But Raju, as he is fondly known to many, was the treasurer of the Shillong Press Club and had worked in different capacities with the Meghalaya Guardian, Eastern Panorama, and the Northeast Today. His sudden demise is yet another great loss to the press fraternity and to the state as a whole.
He felt ill yesterday. He was not feeling well, so they took him to Woodland. They admitted him, but he didn't make it. So then they said we have to test. So they tested, and in the morning they informed the relatives that he also had COVID. So apparently they said that there was a problem about releasing the body protocol, this, that. So when when Pawan asked me, I spoke with the DC, and she was kind enough to sort that out, and the body was released, and we got the municipal board to give their people the vehicle to transport their body,